What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Samsung 32-inch curved monitor. This is a PC HDMI monitor with an amazing usability and really immersive because of its curvature. This one was purchased for a friend of mine because of my recommendations, because I already have one. I own my one something about 2 years ago or 1 year and a half ago, and I'm using it every single day. It's really good, especially if you take hours working when you are on our home office. This is my favorite monitor for all time. This is the Samsung Ultra Slim design. Came with this fancy white color. There is another one in gray color, but the size is quite different. Because of its curvature, the monitor it's quite hard to transport, but if you're gonna fix it in your office, for example, it's pretty well. It comes with this nice metal base. It's easy to plug. Comes with the charger that is not as big as normal. And about energy, it's, according to Samsung, an energy effective. And as I can say, as much as I can say, it's really true. Comes with an HTML cable, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you later. All the best!